नमामि धन्वन्तरिम् आदिदेवं सुरासुरवन्दित पादपद्मं लोके जरारुक् भयमृत्युनाशं दातारमीशं विविधौषधीनाम् ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः. Salutation to Divine Healer Adideva, God of Medicine, Dhanvantari. Respected Chairperson, distinguished faculty, and also my dear sweet doctors, diabetologist, my dear heartist, cardiologist, my dear masterminds, neurologist, and also Vaidyo Narayano Hari. I will salute every Vaidyas. This is 13th दिशा. इन हिंदी दिशा मतलब मार्ग भी होता है, दिशा मतलब aim also. So our aim should be well-being, our aim should be blissful, our aim should be well-being. So doctors, today I have come with only one question. Not about disease, not about diagnosis, not about treatment. My question is, who heals healer? Healing. My topic is healing the healer beyond medicine, yogic wisdom for longevity, health span, and well-being. In each word, it requires well-being. In our Bharatiya Shabda word, well-being means swasthya. What is healing? Who is healer? A healer is one who restores hope, not merely health. Healing is restoring harmonious in body, mind, and spirit. Anyway, our yogi is also here. So, as per the yogic concept, our human body is made up of 5 sheets. One is Annamaya, that is called physical. Pranamaya, energy sheets. Manomaya, mental sheets. 4th is intellectual and emotional sheets. 5th one is Anandamaya, blissful sheets. So, if you consider as a personality, we could say physical level, mental level, intellectual, emotional, and spiritual level. The healing is restoring harmony in physical, mental, intellectual, emotional, and spiritual level. What is medicine? Medicine saves life. Yoga enriches life. Together, they create holistic health. Longevity, the word longevity means adding years to life. Health span means adding life to these years. Our ancient sages, they explain beautifully on swasthya, that means well-being. What they say? Samadosha, samagnischa, samadhatu, malakriya, prasanna atma indriya manaha, swasta ityabhidhiyate. Our sage says, prasanna atma indriya manaha swasta ityabhidhiyate. A cheerful mind, peaceful sense, a joyful spirit, that is called swasthya. Today, we call it well-being. Doctors, today's keynote is not about disease. It's about well-being. Not merely living together longer, but living better, that is health span. How can I move? Slide 2. Simna? Yes, I got it. Doctors, every day you ask, how are you, to anyone. Today, ask yourself, how am I? How am I? Before we continue, let us experience one small yogic tips. Are you ready? Please. Open your cross leg for few seconds. Keep your back straight. So this keynote session is 100% for you. For other sessions, it's for patients. It's for you. Just open your hands. Keep your back straight. That's a simple technique. Now, adopt Namaskara Mudra. When you join, that is called yoga. Simple. Bringing together is yoga. Now, we did a yogic exercise. You, Mike Mamagalu, you ಮಾಡಬೇಕಲ್ಲ? Yes. You are also. Now, just rub. Feel some sensation. It could be warm. It could be anything. Now, keep your both the palms near the navel region. That is called Manipura Chakra. Just rub and say akara. Say It is not difficult. Shall we do once again? So, rub your palm in front of navel region. Inhale, chant akara. Very good. Keep in front of your thoracic region. This is called Anahata Chakra. Rub your palm. Say ukara. Now, clap. See? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. When you chant, when you repeat a mantra called Vitthala. Vitthala, there was a clinical experiment study. If you chant Vitthala, you can improve your heart. That I can give the reference also. Say, Vitthala, 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 Vitthala. Please don't shy. Only 5 more times. Vitthala, Vitthala, Panduranga. Super. Vitthala, Vitthala, Panduranga. Vitthala, 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 Vitthala. That's enough. Very good. Next, keep your hands near the Ajna Chakra. Now, press your finger and open, fold, unfold with smile. Not serious. No wrinkles. I want dimples. Say, Shri Ram Jai Ram Jai Jai Ram. Kya baat hai? Nice word, nice tone. Shri Ram Jai Ram Jai Jai Ram. Yellaru heli Ram Ram Ram. Shri Ram Jai Ram, Shri Ram Jai Ram. Very good. Nodi, all Trimurtis are performing. So now, bring your both the hands closer. Do not adopt. Now, close your eyes and be aware of the distance. Close your eyes. and slowly wider and closer. ದೂರ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಹತ್ರ ತನ್ನಿ. Wider and closer. No, slowly, with closed eyes. In between your palm, you could experience some sensation. It could be prickling, tingling, throbbing, pulsing, or magnetic. That's called attraction, repulsion. That energy is your own biomagnetic plasmic energy. Healing begins with awareness. Slowly, closer, wider, closer, wider. Now slowly adopt Namaskara Mudra. Open your eyes. Relax. Tell me, how are you? Better. Very good. Very good. Non-passer. How many of you did experience this magnetic attraction repulsion? क्या बात है? Pasa? This is called biomagnetic plasmic energy. That energy within us. All gadbadness in our local language, any diseases, because of imbalance in your emotion, that leads stress, strain, anxiety, worries, any other thing in mental level. Later it disturbs all our physical energy. Later it appears in physical level. Yoga, it goes to root, it eradicates, it controls, it channelizes, it manifests. That is yoga. Okay? Doctors? Now next is, who listens to the heartbeat of cardiologist? Who asks the surgeon to rest? Who reminds the diabetologist, Manohar ji, not to skip breakfast? The most neglected patient. Today I have not come here to speak about your patients. I have come here to speak about the most important patient in your life, that is you. The most neglected patient, right now? Every doctor has thousands of patients, but only one body, only one mind, only one life. Before we heal others, we must learn the art of healing ourselves. The silent epidemic. Every day doctors save lives, but sometimes forget to save their own well-being. A healthy doctor heals better. Well-being of the healer is the foundation of healing. The best prescription a doctor can write is also for himself. Doctors, there is another epidemic, not COVID, not cancer, not diabetes. It is much quieter, much more dangerous because it remains hidden beneath white coat. It is called self-neglect. Doctors postpone breakfast. Doctors postpone sleep. Doctors postpone exercise. Doctors postpone family. Postpone themselves. One day, the body says, I can wait no longer. Dear doctors, self-care is not selfish. It is professional responsibility. Medicine teaches us how to care for patient. Yoga teaches us how to care for caregiver. Every day you carry responsibilities that most of us cannot even imagine. Today, allow me to give something back to you, Vaidyo Narayanas. Yoga is not an alternative. It is an ally of medicine. I want to make one thing very clear. I have not just come here to compare yoga with medicine. I have come here to connect yoga with medicine. Medicine and yoga are not competitors. They are partners. Allies, that means trusted partners, working together for one common goal, the well-being of the patient. Medicine treats disease. Yoga nurtures well-being. Medicine saves life. Yoga enriches life. Together, they create holistic health. When medicine and yoga walks together, patient recover better. Stress reduces, quality of life improves, and even doctor remain healthier. My favorite slide, the power of mindset. From illness to wellness. I, me, myself, mindset leads to illness, right? Yes. Due to this, stress, sleeplessness, burnout, disconnection, self-centered living. When your mindset changes to we, ourself, community, society, Rashtra, nation, as cosmos, Vasudhaiva Kutumba, what we say, leads to wellness. From this, connection improves, compassion, contribution, inner peace, collective well-being. Your mindset chooses your life, shift from I to we. Live well. Doctors, the yogic prescription. The yogic prescription is surprisingly simple. Breathe consciously. We say pranayama. And move daily. Move daily means you do walking. Tomorrow morning 7 to 8, I am going to teach you, practice you simple yogic walk technique. Please do not miss. If you miss forever. Okay. Next, relax deeply, meditate regularly, smile generously, serve selflessly. These 6 habits cost nothing, yet they can transform the quality of our lives. I am not sharing a theory aspect of yoga with you. My humble invitation is, don't just prescribe health, live it, because a healthy healer heals better. If you ask a North Karnataka, any common man, Neen aramidiyanappa, he can explain beautifully in Kannada Shabda, in Kannada word, say, how are you? If you ask, the quotation or athwa eno, arogya, the definition he gives, biddu koodle niddi, yeddu koodle laddi. Kannada people, they can understand. Idalli ಏನು ಅಸಹ್ಯ ಇಲ್ಲ. No, biddu koodle niddi. As soon as go to the bed, if you get sleep, you are mentally aram. Correct, doctor? As soon as get up, if you go to ablution, restroom, ಚರಿಗೆ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೊಂಟ್ರೆ ಆರಾಮ್ ರೀ. It is a sutra of health. ತುಂಬ ಸರಳವಾಗಿದೆ. Okay. Next is That's all. Breathe consciously. The greatest prescription you can offer your patient, begin with the way you live your own life. Heal yourself, heal humanity. I have 1 more minute, so I should use this one. What you have to do is, just I give you a simple breathing technique. Here you can understand what the emptiness means, what really bliss means. Are you ready? That's all. Keep your back straight. Now whatever I say, that you have to follow. Simple breathing technique. See, inhale deeply through the nose, exhale from the mouth. Clear? See how? See, when I say breathe in means, see, in 3 tal. In 3, please open your eyes, just you can understand. When I say breathe out, exhale through the mouth. See? Inhale, nostril, exhale, mouth. Inhale, Shri. When I say 1, 2, 3, instead of 1, 2, 3, I say Shri. Instead of 1, 2, 3, I say Om. Inhale, nostril, Shrikar. Exhale from the mouth, Omkar. That's it. Shall we do? It's in first phase, first stage, you have to do 21 times. Inhale, exhale. Okay? It's 21 times. Then close your eyes, experience the tingling sensation, and experience the thoughtlessness. Experience the blissful state. It's the first stage. In second stage, inhale 2 seconds, exhale 21 times. Third stage, last stage is 1 second. Shri, Om, in, Om. Please do not repeat. Mentally chant Shri, mentally repeat Om. But practice inhale, nostril, exhale from the mouth. Right? Back straight. Keep your back straight. Yes, that's all. Close your eyes. Smile. Relax. Have a smile. Now exhale completely. Begin. Shri in. Om out. Shri Om. Shri Om. Shri. Breathe in. Om. Breathe out. Inhale nostril. Exhale mouth. Breathe in forcefully. Breathe out mouth. Very good. Shin Om. Shri Om. Good. Shri in. Om. Shri Om. Shri Om. Shri Om. Forcefully. Om. 5 more. Shri Om. Shri nostril. Om. Shri Mugali. Om. Bayali. Shri in. Om. Bay. Shri. And stop. Do not move. Do not open your eyes. Close your eyes. Feel the tingling sensation. For a few seconds, you won't feel to inhale or exhale. Sometimes you could feel thoughtless or less thought. Feel energy. Slowly, breath starts entering in, starts going out. Very good, very good. Now, second phase, 2 seconds. Shri, 2, begin. Shri, Om, in, nostril, Om, mouth. Shri, in, Om, out. Shri, Om, Shri, in, Om, out. Mugalli Shwasa, Bayalli Bidi. Shri, Om, Shri, Om, Shri, Om, Shri, Om, Shri. Inhale, Om, out. Shri, breathe in, breathe out. Shri, in, breathe out. Shri, Om, So, Hum, Soham, Shri, Om, Shri, Om. 5, Om, 4, Om, 3, Om, Shri, Om, Shri, Om, Shri. Stop. Now you could feel still energy, no breath. You could feel automatic retention of the breath. That is called Sahaja Kumbhaka, natural retention of the breath. Because your lungs has become more oxygenated. That's why you won't feel to take breath in or out. Finally, 1 second. Begin. Shri in nostril, exhale. Forcefully. Begin. Shri, Om, So, Hum, Shri, Om, Shri, Om, Shri, Om, Shri, Om. In, out. Mogo, by. Shri, Om, Shri, Om, Shri, Om, Shri, Om, Shri, Om, Shri, Om, Shri, Om. Very good. Om, Shri, Om. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and stop. Super. Do not move. Close your eyes. Feel the energy. Relax completely. Feel the blankness, blissful state, energy. Relax. Very good, very good, very good. Slowly open your eyes. Be there in this state for you. Now, happy to introduce my son, Vedavyasa Pai. Vedavyasa, just stand up. He is the founder of Medvora AA. Medvora, it is a medical AA platform being developed to assist doctors, clinics, and hospitals in their daily practice. I am happy that his idea has been recognized by leading IITs, Bhubaneswar IIT and Dharwad IIT, selected among Karnataka and Bharata's, India's innovations, and the beta version was launched by our Honorable Finance Minister Nirmala Sitaramji in Dharwad IIT. I am not promoting, just he is here today mainly to learn from you all. Okay? Bless him, guide him. That's good. Good, Vedavyasa. So I will conclude by I learned this song. It takes only 90 seconds. Long back. It is the essence of Karma Yoga. Make your effort, let things happen, let things happen. Do your duty, leave the rest to heaven. Things what make links to your ideal. Be prepared for any ordeals. Rush not, push not, let things happen. The time shall come and the battle shall be won. Make your effort, let things happen, let things happen. Are you happy? No, are you happy? Yes. So if you are happy, clap twice. Only total, no, like this. 1, 2, clap twice. Very good. Are you happy? Clap twice. If you are happy, snap your finger 2 times. If you are happy, tap your thigh. Your own thigh, not others. If you are happy, say Vande Mataram. Vande Mataram means salutation to Bharata Mata. If you are happy, say Jai Hind. Don't shy. It should come within, from the bottom of your stomach. Hotte khali idre sound chennagi baruttade. Right na? When you are happy and you know it, clap your hand. When you're happy and you know it, clap your hand. When you're happy and you know it, snap your finger. क्या बात है ಎಲ್ಲ Hey, you're not happy? No. I'm pointing. When you're happy and you know it, snap your finger. Correct. When you're happy and you know it, tap your thigh. When you're happy and you know it, tap your thigh. Oh, first class. When you're happy and you know it, say Vande Mataram. Vande Mataram, salutation to Bharat Mata, salutation to Bhuvaneshwari, salutation to Banashankari or Mysore Mata. When you are happy and you know it, say Vande Mataram. When you are happy and you know it, say Jai Hind. Finally, can you do all five together? No chow chow. One. Vande Mataram, Jai Hind. No chow chow. Be alert. When you are happy and you know it, do all five. One. Vande Mataram, Jai. Na ಮೊದಲೇ ಹೇಳಿದೆ chow chow ಕೈ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮೇಲು ಮಾಡಿ ಅಂತ. Finally, when you are happy and you know it, do all five. One. Vande Mataram, Jai Hind. Jai Disha, Jai Bharat Mataram, Vande Yoga Mataram. Thank you, Dr. Manohar. Thank you.